Asawa!
Inaugural address by John F. Kennedy. And so, my fellow Americans, ask not what your country can do for you. Ask what you can do for your country. My fellow citizens of the world, ask not what America will do for you, but what together we can do for freedom of man. Finally, whether you are a citizens of America or citizens of the world, ask of us here the same high standards of strength and sacrifice which we ask of you. With a good conscience, our only sure reward, with history the final judge of our deeds, let us go forth to lead the land we love, asking His blessing and His help, but knowing here on earth God's word must truly be our own.
Boyfriend ko yan! Tagal talaga. Oh, tangina.